Hello, beautiful people. Look behind me. There is a calf, and it's very little. That is why it's called calf. Okay, and yeah, it's playing around me. And there is a tree behind me, as you can see, and there is a big uh, pond as well. Okay, and I'm sitting under the tree, and I'm trying to say something in front of camera for you guys. And that means I'm making English speaking video, and it's slow English speaking video. It's very important to learn English, and especially this video is for the beginners. If you want to learn English from the zero level, then this video is for you. You will be able to learn English very easily if you understand me. Okay, and if you want to learn any new language, then you should listen a lot. You should listen English a lot. You can listen English every day. You have to listen English regularly, and you have to maintain your regularly. And there is no way, or there is no any shortcut way to learn English. So if you are very interested in English, in that case you have to practice every day. You have to maintain your regularity. Okay, so this cup is very uh, handsome, and just look, it's look very good, right? It's very cute, and I think someone is just trying to write something. Uh, just look, and yeah. Do you like cow, or you don't like cow? Or what's your favorite animal? Do you like dog, or do you like cat? Let me know in the comment that what is your favorite animal. Oh my gosh. Hello, how are you today? Good morning. Good morning. Say good morning for my audience. Okay, so that's it for today. I don't want it more longer. I just wanna help him. I just wanna adore him. Okay, so that's it for today, and yeah, have a good day. Thank you for watching me. Say goodbye. Hello. Goodbye. Goodbye. Oh.